Bow windows Birmingham deliver a striking way to expand light, space, and curb appeal while supporting modern performance goals. For homeowners seeking residential bow window replacement, bow window installation, and bow window installation, the right solution can transform tired facades into secure home windows with lasting visual impact. From double-glazed bow windows and triple-glazed windows to thermally efficient windows and noise-reducing windows, today's modern window solutions suit everything from period terraces to contemporary extensions. Whether the project calls for custom bow window fitting, bespoke window design, or replacement window units, the focus remains on comfort, efficiency, and style. Birmingham residential glazing experts and window installation specialists can guide the process from survey to finish. Residential bow window replacement Birmingham is often the best choice when existing frames are failing, drafts are rising, or older glass no longer performs. House window upgrades can include draft-proof window replacement, window frame replacement, and complete home window replacement Birmingham for a cleaner, more efficient result. Many properties across the West Midlands benefit from uPVC bow windows Birmingham, timber bow window replacement Birmingham, and aluminium bow window installation Birmingham depending on architectural style and budget. Residential glazing services. Birmingham UK and domestic glazing Birmingham provide practical solutions for homeowners wanting secure home windows Birmingham, energy-efficient windows Birmingham, and replacement windows in Birmingham that improve both appearance and everyday living. Bow window installation Birmingham should be handled by local window fitters Birmingham and house window installers Birmingham who understand structural alignment, weatherproofing, and finish quality. Bow and bay windows require precision, especially when upgrading older homes with uneven openings or worn sills. Domestic window contractors and window replacement contractors Birmingham can advise on residential glazing services, bespoke bow windows West Midlands options, and replacement window units that match original character or create a fresh new look. For homeowners wanting a visible upgrade, new bow windows Birmingham for houses Birmingham can bring in more daylight, widen interior views, and add resale appeal while keeping installation efficient and tailored to the property. Energy-efficient replacement windows are a smart investment for homes seeking lower heat loss and improved year-round comfort. Double-glazed bow windows. Birmingham remain popular for balancing performance and affordability, while triple-glazed windows and thermally efficient windows offer even greater insulation for exposed streets and busy urban areas. Bow windows Birmingham fitted with high-performance glass can also reduce outside noise, making them ideal noise-reducing windows and soundproof window replacement Birmingham options. When paired with draft-proof window replacement and secure home windows Birmingham features, these upgrades support a warmer, quieter, more efficient home. For many properties, window upgrade services Birmingham provide the best route to better performance without compromising design. Bow window installation Birmingham is often a cost-effective option when frames, seals, or opening mechanisms are still structurally sound. Window refurbishment can restore function and appearance, especially on timber bow windows or older bespoke bow windows West Midlands properties where replacement is not always necessary. Residential glazing services Birmingham UK can assess whether installation, partial replacement, or complete bow window installation is most suitable. From cracked panes to condensation between panes, local specialists can deliver residential glazing services that extend the life of existing units. Homeowners looking for fast improvements often choose bow window installation alongside window frame replacement Birmingham to achieve a refreshed finish with minimal disruption. uPVC bow windows Birmingham remain a leading choice for low-maintenance durability, thermal performance, and value. These replacement windows in Birmingham suit busy households that want easy cleaning, reliable security, and strong energy performance without frequent upkeep. In heritage settings, timber bow windows and timber bow window replacement Birmingham can preserve traditional character while still incorporating modern glazing technology. Aluminium bow window installation Birmingham is equally attractive for slim sightlines, contemporary styling, and long-term strength. With custom bow window fitting Birmingham available from experienced domestic window contractors, homeowners can select the material, finish, and glazing package that best suits the property and its location. Birmingham residential glazing experts can create tailored solutions for homes across the city and surrounding West Midlands neighborhoods. From Edgbaston and Harborne to Moseley, Solihull, Sutton Coldfield, and Selly Oak, Bow Windows Birmingham projects benefit from installers who know local building styles and planning considerations. Residential bow window replacement Birmingham and home window replacement Birmingham are especially effective for properties exposed to traffic, wind, or damp conditions. Bow window quote. Birmingham requests often lead to recommendations for energy-efficient windows Birmingham, secure home windows Birmingham, and house window upgrades that improve value while maintaining architectural harmony. For many households, this becomes the most practical route to a better home. Bespoke window design and custom bow window fitting allow homeowners to create a feature that feels integrated rather than added on. Bay and bow windows can be specified in uPVC, timber, or aluminium, with glazing choices ranging from double-glazed bow windows to triple-glazed windows for maximum thermal benefit. Modern window solutions also include secure locking systems, advanced seals, and frame profiles designed for long-term durability. Whether the goal is residential glazing services Birmingham, bow window installation Birmingham, or window refurbishment, the result should complement the building and lifestyle. For homeowners seeking replacement windows in Birmingham, local window fitters Birmingham can provide precise measurements and dependable installation. Bow window installation Birmingham continues to be a popular upgrade because it combines style, light, and performance in one highly visible feature. With options such as residential bow window replacement, bow window installation, home window replacement, aluminium bow window installation Birmingham, and uPVC bow windows Birmingham, there is a solution for nearly every property type. Domestic glazing Birmingham and house window installers Birmingham can deliver everything from soundproof window replacement Birmingham to secure home windows Birmingham and draft-proof window replacement. For best results, choose Window Replacement Contractors Birmingham, who offer residential glazing services, window frame replacement Birmingham, and bow and bay window specialists Birmingham services suited to local homes and budgets. For homeowners seeking residential bow window replacement Birmingham, modern window solutions can transform both curb appeal and interior comfort. Bow window installation Birmingham and bow window installation Birmingham are ideal for period properties, family homes, and contemporary builds looking for bay and bow windows that enhance light flow and space. Replacement windows in Birmingham, including double-glazed bow windows Birmingham and energy-efficient windows Birmingham, help reduce heat loss while improving noise-reducing windows performance for busy city streets and suburban roads across the West Midlands. Birmingham residential glazing experts provide home window replacement Birmingham with replacement window units designed for long-term performance and style. Whether you need draft-proof window replacement, secure home windows Birmingham, or thermally efficient windows for year-round comfort, local window fitters Birmingham deliver tailored solutions. House window installers Birmingham and window installation specialists can manage everything from window frame replacement Birmingham to custom bow window fitting Birmingham, ensuring a precise finish for residential bow window replacement Birmingham projects of every size. Bespoke bow windows West Midlands homeowners choose often include uPVC bow windows Birmingham, timber bow window replacement Birmingham, and aluminium bow window installation Birmingham for different aesthetics and maintenance needs. Double-glazed bow windows, triple-glazed windows, and thermally efficient windows are popular for reducing energy bills and improving soundproof window replacement Birmingham results in high-traffic areas. For those wanting house window upgrades, bow and bay window specialists Birmingham can recommend bespoke window design options that match the character of your property while supporting secure home windows and strong weather protection. Bow window installation Birmingham is often the best route for adding architectural charm and practical value to your home. Custom bow window fitting Birmingham allows for accurate measurements, stylish finishes, and improved ventilation, while residential glazing services Birmingham UK can support glazing upgrades, window refurbishment, and domestic glazing Birmingham across apartments, terraces, semis, and detached homes. If you're comparing residential glazing services, energy-efficient replacement windows, or modern window solutions, local expertise in Bow Windows Birmingham ensures a high-quality result. Homeowners planning bow window installation Birmingham or full house window upgrades can benefit from window upgrade services Birmingham that combine visual improvement with performance enhancements. Aluminium bow windows, timber bow windows, and uPVC bow windows each offer distinct advantages, while secure home windows Birmingham and noise-reducing windows remain top priorities for many families. From domestic window contractors to window replacement contractors Birmingham, the right team can provide replacement windows in Birmingham, Bow Windows Birmingham quote support, and reliable residential bow window replacement Birmingham for lasting comfort and value.